I look forward to saying, and the winner is you and you and you. Okay? Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Seasoned Beauties. Our video on today, it has been so long since I've done one of these, but we will be opening the Ipsy Glam Bag. I can't tell you the last time I had one of these, but this is the first one that came in, so let's just jump in and see what this is all about. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with this particular bag, this is the first in the new BOXYCHARM Ipsy merge, and although this one has not changed, the rest of them certainly will. So the price is still about the same, which I will list down below, so make sure you check it out. All right, so unlike the Glam Bag Plus, this one actually comes with a description card, okay, and it looks like this, and it says for the month of April, anything is possible. Now, the makeup bag that we received this month is beautiful. Okay, it is the blue and white floral, which I do definitely like, and of course it does have our Ipsy symbol on it, and it says look good, do good. Okay, now one of the main differences between the bags, this one will give you sample size or deluxe size samples, okay, so that you can check them out. You can either go on the website or you can shop your favorite store now that you know what the product works like with your skin. Okay, so when we open it up, the very first item that we have is by Benefit Cosmetics. Okay, and this one is the Professional Good Cleanup Mini Foam Cleanser. Okay, and it says enlarged and visible pores. Not with this cleanser. It helps reduce the look of large pores with lemon extract, while antioxidant rich yuzu extract and bisbolol, okay, maybe, help to smooth and brighten your complexion. Okay, now this is a deluxe sample, okay, and it says if you were to purchase the full size, it would be about $29. Okay, so this one is a 0.67 fluid ounce size, and it says that it is a mousse consistency. All right, and this one has a 12-month shelf life. And let's just see what the actual package looks like. Oh, that's a cute package. So I can see the mousse consistency. So if you were to push the button down, you would get that nice foamy look. Okay, so this is item number one. Then let's go back into the bag, and the second item that we have is by the new company, well, the new co, okay, and it says this is the Barrier Culture Anti-Pollution Moisturizer, okay, and it says block out everyday impurities with help from this barrier protecting cream. This lightweight formula is enriched with pre, pro, and postbiotics, as well as ceramides, peptides, niacinamide, and squalene to help replenish your complexion and nourish your skin. This one is a deluxe size sample as well, and it says if you were to get the full size, the manufacturer suggested retail price would be $65. Okay, this product is a 0.5 fluid ounce size, and it also has a 12-month shelf life. And it says just apply it to clean, dry skin. All right. And that is this one right here. Okay. So let's move right along to the next item. And that one would be, alrighty, this product right here. And this one is by Shades by Sean. And this is the gel eyeliner in black tea. And it says a gel eyeliner that won't skip, smudge, or fade for hours. You're looking at it. This creamy, long-wearing eyeliner helps deliver ultra-rich, jet black pigments in a single smooth stroke, thanks to the jojoba oil, okay? And it says this is a full size, and the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $18, okay? So, let's see. It says it is actually a 0.1 ounce size. And let's see what type of shelf life it has. Well, I'm actually not seeing one, which means it's probably a shorter one. But we're going to go ahead. Oh, it's retractable, which is always good, but we're going to take it and we're going to swatch it. Very smooth, very black. Okay, nice, very nice. And you know, it did not, if you look, I went over the knuckle part, okay, and the line is still smooth and straight. Still, I like that. Okay, then the next item that we have is by The Cosmetic, which starts with a K and ends with a K, all right? And this is the Beauty Sponge in black. And it says for a flawless and second skin finish, this makeup sponge is the one to reach for. It takes your cream, liquid, and powder foundations and helps them blend seamlessly into your complexion with ease and precision, okay? This, of course, is a full size, and the manufacturer's suggested retail price for this one is $18 as well, okay? And it just says makeup blender. Now, I did open it and take it out of the package for two reasons. The first reason is because I really wanted to see the point on the end and to check just how dense or spongy it may be. Very, very nice. Okay, so I'm sure once this is wet, it will rather enlarge itself. Now, the other reason is because the package that it came in is resealable, okay? So it is back in the package where it came from. Then we have one last item, and it is wrapped very, very well. So we're going to go ahead and take it out of the paper or bubble wrap. Oh, I actually have this in a large size. What to do, what to do? Well, I will tell you, my sidekick already asked. She didn't ask for specific things. She saw that this came in, and this is new for me because she usually sees the Glam Bag Plus, which gives me larger sizes. So she already said, well, can I have it? As in everything. But this one I think I will give to her since I already have it. This is Shayna B, Miami B, and this is the Seductive Eyeshadow Duo, okay? Now, this one says, can you name a more iconic eyeshadow duo? These perfectly paired pigments are buttery smooth, never streaky or patchy. And ultra blendable, making it easy to go from subtle to dramatic in the blink of an eye. This is a deluxe sample. Now, if you were to purchase the full size, it would be $23. Okay, so when we check out the product, it does say that this has a 12-month shelf life and it is a vegan product. Okay, so let's just see what it looks like once again, which is this right here. So when it's time for us to do the try on, I will have her come and participate so that she can show you what this looks like. Okay, so I don't want to swatch it because it's hers. Plus, we've already seen it in action on this channel. Okay, now, what do you think? I'm okay. I am totally okay with it because I will tell you right off the bat, we did get 2 full-size products, okay? Which are these 2 right here, okay? Anytime there is an eyeshadow, it will take you a long time to reach pan. So getting a deluxe sample, I don't have a problem with that at all, okay? Because like I said, it takes a long time to reach the bottom. So that will be just fine. And that is what we will do, I'm sure, with this one, okay? All right, so let me know your thoughts down below as to these products that we received this month, okay? Now, I just want to tell you, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed the first Ipsy Glam Bag since the 2 have become 1, okay? Now, these are the items that were included. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything should it be a full size, okay? Now, I want to remind you, make sure you check out and enter our giveaway. It's for Mother's Day. However, it has already started, so check out the video, let me know your thoughts, and now remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.